Hello guys, so where is Equalizer for iTunes? So you just go to iTunes and then Window and click Equalizer. So with Equalizer you can change like the quality of your sound, adjust for different styles of music and stuff like that. So to enable Equalizer on iTunes, just click on and then we can experiment. Oops. So like acoustic or bass booster. Okay, so you got it. There are different sounds. You can also just disable it. Yeah, and also you can enable manual equalizer, so you can just play with different sounds. So something like that. So hopefully you got the idea. That's how it is.